why you lose focus sometimes as 20 minutes. Why do we struggle to stay focused today? Why are so many people struggling? And that's what I will be talking about in this video. So stay tuned till the end and understand what you can do to build that focus, build that patience in yourself. So let me ask you a question. If you continue to practice something, are you going to get better at it or not? Right? And I'm sure the answer, most of you are coming up with the yes. If you practice something, you're going to get better at it. Why not? So the same applies to us. Today we are watching reels, we're watching shorts, we're watching things where the attention span is very, very small, right? Every few seconds, we are having a new thing changing over. We're watching that and again. So what happens? You're practicing short attention span. If you practice short attention span, you will get short attention span. You will become more good at short attention, right? So then what happens? We are basically becoming the very person we don't want to become because we are simply practicing that, right? So our phones today can be weapons of mass knowledge that was not readily available probably a few decades back when I was young, and today it's more easy to get that. But at the same time, it can also be a weapon of destruction, mass destruction, because it can keep you hooked, keep your attention span low, patience low, because of which you're struggling to achieve anything meaningful in life. So become mindful that your phone is an asset or a weapon based on how you use it. So try to focus more on things where you can stay tuned for a longer time, right? That's why doing things with hands, going out there and working with your hands, maybe it's cleaning your car, doing some gardening, doing something, those boring work is how you build patience. It's not doing this fancy stuff, doing new things, but it's doing the absolute boring stuff. Go clean a table if nothing else is there. Go dig a hole and plant a tree there, which is boring work. And then you start seeing your focus starts to build back. So this is how you build your focus back, by doing repetitive boring work, not interesting new, which is what the fad is, because people will push you new things. Focus on doing the same boring stuff and you start saying that, hey, my focus is better, my patience level is better, right? So if you practice low patience, short attention span, then you're going to be very good at it. You will have very poor focus. And if you focus on doing things which are boring, long, tedious work, then your patience will increase. You will be able to have high focus. As simple as that. What you practice is what you get. If you like this video, give this a like, share your thoughts in the comments, what you struggle with focusing most. I'll be happy to read, maybe create a video on that or share some more thoughts. And in one of my videos, my next video, don't forget to take a look at this. I talk about what it takes to stay disciplined and why discipline is not just motivation. So take a look at that video, and that's where I'll be talking about it.